everyone has been focused on the Jeffrey Epstein files, the United States just quietly passed a bill that legalizes and legitimizes digital dollars. In the last couple of days, Donald Trump just signed the Genius Act. But in order for you to understand what the Genius Act does, you have to understand some background information first. Have you ever heard words like Ethereum, stablecoins, and staking? I know you're going to want to immediately tune out, but please hang in there. Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain platform. It's a place where you can create decentralized apps, and it facilitates the creation of smart contracts. Think of it as kind of like the internet. You can run all of your apps on the internet. You can use the internet to create things, except this is for money. And the money, or cryptocurrency, that's used to facilitate operations and transactions on the platform is called Ether, also known as ETH. Next, you have to understand what staking is. Different blockchains' network operations are supported in different ways, typically two different ways, proof of work and proof of stake. And Ethereum works on a proof of stake model, which essentially means instead of computers solving complex problems, people lock up some of their ETH in order to keep the systems working. And last, you need to understand what stablecoins are. Stablecoins are designed to minimize price volatility in certain cryptocurrencies. The goal is to maintain a stable value relative to a specific asset. In this case, we're talking about the United States dollar. So a stable coin is going to be pegged or compared to the value of the US dollar. So whatever the US dollar does, the stable coin will do in terms of value. Now we can talk about the Genius Act, and the Genius Act does 5 different things. 1, only approved banks can issue stable coins. 2, they have to be backed 1-to-1 by US dollars or treasury bills. 3, they have to offer daily audits and allow you to redeem for real cash. 4, big players get audited by the Fed. And 5, they're not considered securities, so it's way easier for companies to adopt them. Because of this act, in theory, you could pay your rent, tip your Uber driver, or transfer money to a family member with no fees instantly. You wouldn't need a bank account. All you'd need is your phone. It would give other people in undeveloped countries access to the US dollar. It could very well make Ethereum the backbone of finance. It opens the door to Ethereum ETFs with staking rewards, hello passive income. Ultimately, you may not care about cryptocurrency and you might even think it's a scam, but it just became legal tender whether you like it or not. And it's not coming, it's already here. What do you think?
Hey, it's the Black Nerds Podcast.